There is how many billions of people that uses TikTok. You cannot tell me, I don't care which part of the world you're in, that if you're consistent with going live or TikTok shop, you're not going to make money. Do not burn your energy up by trying to do everything. There's so many ways that you can make money on this platform, a lot. And what some people do, they're doing a little bit of TikTok, a little bit of live, a little bit of co-hosting, put all your energy one place. Focus on one thing. Have like your main course. Those are the ones that just side dishes, just dibbling and dabbling. Now on this platform, there's rules. If we do not follow the rules, we will not succeed. But some of us think that we can beat the algorithm. Anytime you are on TikTok and you are missing in action, speak from personal experience, for a week to 2 weeks and you come back, it's just as if you're starting all over again. It doesn't matter who you are, you're starting all over again. Your people that you know or your friends that you know, they've buggered off, they're gone by the business. Because there's always something new on the platform that grabs people interest. People make friends like this and drop friends like this. So if you think you're gonna vanish and then come back and everybody's still here, you will lose some people. Your real people will still be there, but you will lose some people as well as your fragment too, because that will drop. I have another platform, this is about TikTok shop. But anything you see me wearing, you can check the link down there. 80% of it, I got it from TikTok shop. I'm just killing two birds with one stone. That's how you do branding. So like this jumpsuit here is TikTok shop. The bracelets is TikTok shop. So you could go down, click on my shop, and you will see what I'm wearing or what I've worn before in there. You see how you do it? So on my TikTok shop now, I just post up pictures. But instead of people ask me, oh, what you have on? What you have on? Look nice, da 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 da. TikTok shop, go there, click. Aha, aha. So for those of you that are thinking that I'm extra, yeah, I am actually extra. So TikTok suits me just perfect. Like, yeah, I'm dressing up because listen, I have to promote TikTok stuff. But in actual fact, ladies, this jumpsuit, this is good. I've said this before and I'm saying it again. I don't know what the hell, how they managing to get with these prices. I don't know. This, what did I pay for this? I can't remember how much I paid for it. Maybe like £8 or something. You go in the shops out there and you buy something like this for £8. You get one wear out of it and that's that. It's done with. But these things are good quality. I've worn this before. I've worn this in the carnival with some pum pum shorts. So you know the stress it went through. Come home, wash it, and I wore it now to actually, like, hey, you should find it on TikTok shop. I've put it through its pace. It went through the washing. It went through the grinding. It went through the carnival, okay? And look at it, still brand new. You could dress it up and you could dress it down. I was going to dress it down to show, but I couldn't be bothered. Okay, so you just put on some tennis boots, take off the gold bracelets, and probably take these out or something like that. Put on your watch, put on a coat, and there's it, casual. You want to dress it up, put on some accessories, put on some evening shoes, some boots, thigh-high boots like what I had on before. And there you go. There's many different colors. There's many different colors. So yeah, for those of you that want to teach whatever it is you want to teach, get the TikTok garment and clothing, guys or women, put it on. And send the people to your shop. People will see, you don't know who is looking. They're gonna see it, they're gonna like it, they're gonna go to your shop. If it's no longer available or something, they may see other things and purchase. Work smart. Work smart. Not hard. Work smart. What am I gonna come and sit down here and be talking to y'all in my own ordinary clothes? Why? When I could put on some TikTok not a scarf. Not a scarf. When I could put on some TikTok stuff. Are you seeing it? You see it, me you seen it live moving around in 3K. And I'm telling you, the stuff is good. TikTok stuff is good. I love TikTok shop. Yeah.